Pumpkin pie spice season. That used to mean that I would go right down and get a pumpkin pie chai latte or something crazy. But when you find out about all the benefits in the pumpkin pie spices and you find out you can't quite get them in a simple syrup, now I make my own. And when you find out how easy it is and how many benefits there are in pumpkin pie spice, you're gonna love it. Pumpkin pie spice is usually cinnamon, cloves, ginger, and nutmeg. The first one is cinnamon. Cinnamon is an amazing spice. You want to make sure you're getting Ceylon, not cassia. Half a teaspoon a day in studies has been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol, can lower your blood glucose, and can also prevent UTIs. So it's an amazing spice, doesn't come in a simple syrup, and why you should always have cinnamon on hand. I always add clove. I love clove. I usually have them on hand, whole cloves and ground. Clove is a huge antimicrobial, so it can reduce the bad bacteria in your gut naturally. And it's also a really good numbing agent. When my daughter had tooth pain, I would always get the pure clove oil at the store and rub it on her gums, and it would totally take the pain away. I think that's part of why we like the cinnamon and the clove and the pumpkin pie spice. It lowers our blood glucose, makes us feel a little bit more balanced, and then the clove kind of takes the edge off. Ginger. I always have tons of dry ginger on hand. I mostly like to use fresh ginger, but if you're making a pumpkin pie spice, using ginger can help with nausea. It helps the liver flush toxins through so that it would help with that nausea and feeling like you're going to vomit, car sickness, and sickness in the early stages of pregnancy. Ginger supports your digestion, so it can also help reduce gas and bloating and improves your circulation in case you have like cold hands and feet. Nutmeg, I love nutmeg. Nutmeg's in a lot of like pasta and cream sauce recipes, and I love to use the fresh nutmeg and grate it. But you can also get grated nutmeg so that it's ready for you. Just know that when you get your spices already ground, as soon as you grind them, the scent and the oils that have the components are released. So they're not as potent, especially not 6 months to like a year later. That's when I would ditch them and get fresh spices. Nutmeg also has antimicrobial activity, so it's good to fight the pathogens that could get in your gut. So that's it. A pumpkin pie spice is typically cinnamon, clove, ginger, and nutmeg. You can mix the ratios to taste and have all of the benefits in that beautiful flavor. Enjoy the season, and thanks for watching.